Hello friends, welcome back to my session. So today we're going to check the topic that is AI chatbot versus AI agent. So in this video we are going to learn a very important topic. What is an AI chatbot? What is an AI agent? What is the difference between them? What are the real URLs of AI chatbots and AI agents? And finally I will explain one complete end-to-end example using a real website. So don't worry if you are a beginner, I will explain everything in very simple way. And now let's start with it. So very first thing is, what is an AI chatbot? An AI chatbot is a software where you type a question and it gives you an answer. That's it. It works like a smart person who can talk with you. For example, if you ask what are the test cases for login page, the AI chatbot will generate test cases. If you ask, write Selenium code for login page, so the AI chatbot will generate code. So AI chatbot is mainly used for asking questions, getting answers, generating content, generating code, generating test cases, generating documentation. But the important point is AI chatbot only gives suggestions. It does not do the work automatically. So, like, there are some capabilities what AI chatbot can do. So basically it can help you in generating the test cases, it can generate an automation code, it can generate documentation, and it can answer QA questions. So actually it gives you the suggestions, but it won't perform the actions. So there are some URLs for the AI chatbots. So that is for ChatGPT. So for ChatGPT, there is a chat.openai.com. Let me quickly show you this. So if you see here, basically for ChatGPT, there is chat.openai.com. Fine. Then there is one chatbot URL that is basically for Google Gemini. So gemini.google.com. Then also there is one Microsoft Copilot. So that is basically copilot.microsoft.com. Then there is for Claude also. So that is basically https cloudy.ai. Fine. So these are AI chatbot websites. You can open these websites in your browser, ask questions, and you can basically get the answers. Fine. Now, if we move ahead, so first we should know what is actually an AI agent. So now let's understand the main concept. So an AI agent is a smarter AI system. AI agent does not only give answers, AI agent can actually perform tasks. It works like a digital employee. For example, if you tell an AI chatbot, test SauceDemo checkout flow. So SauceDemo actually I am talking about is basically a demo website. So if I say just test SauceDemo checkout workflow, so it will only reply with test cases or some suggestions. But if you tell an AI agent, test source demo, checkout flow and generate a report. Fine. Then the AI agent can do it step by step like a human. How? It can open the browser, go to the website, fine, log in, click buttons, then fill the forms, then validate output, just take screenshots, generate the reports, and even create bug reports. So we can say AI agent is not just a talking AI. AI agent is an AI that can take actions. Now, we should know what is basically AI chatbot and what is AI agent, and if I check like what's the difference between them. So let's understand the difference in a very easy way. AI chatbot is like a teacher. A teacher will explain you how to do something, but teacher will not do the work for you. For example, if you say please write test cases for a checkout page, so chatbot will write test cases, but it will not open browser and execute testing. If I talk about AI agent, so AI agent is like a worker. A worker does the work for you. For example, if you say test checkout page end to end, so AI agent will open the browser, run the test, verify result, and give final report. So the difference is AI agent complete the task and AI chatbot gives answers. Now there are some basic differences. Okay, so yeah, for AI agent, like URLs we already discussed. So if I say like what's the URLs for AI agents, so you can check for platform dot openai.com. Fine. So this is OpenAI platform for AI agents, and in similarly for Microsoft Copilot Studio, we have Copilot Studio dot Microsoft.com. Fine. So you can just log in by just doing a small registration. Then there are Zapier AI agents also team. So Zapier.com. So Zapier.com AI. Fine. You can sign up for this also. You can sign up for this also. Fine. Then there is one called LangChain. LangChain. So langchain.com. Fine. Then team, there is one more AI agent, that is basically Crew AI. Fine. crewai.com. So these are real URLs where AI agents can be built, but just do remember AI agent is not only single website. AI agent is a system which uses AI plus tools. Fine. Now, how basically AI agent works? Fine. How AI agent works? Let's see that. So how does an AI agent work? So AI agent works in 5 simple steps. So what are those 5 steps? If I talk about the very first step, that is basically you give a goal. For example, you tell AI agent test SauceDemo website, checkout flow and generate a report. Fine. The second step will be AI agent makes a plan. So AI agent will think like a human. So it will create steps like open SauceDemo website, login, add product, go to cart, checkout, enter details, then just finish the order, verify confirmation message, take screenshot and just create the report. Then in the third step, AI agent select tools. So AI agent uses tools like browser automation tool like Playwright or Selenium, then a screenshot tool, then a reporting tool, log analyzer tool or a bug report generator tool. Fine. AI agent executes the steps. So AI agent actually clicks buttons and fills the forms. Fine. Then AI agent gives final output. So finally AI agent gives pass or fail result, screenshot proof, bug report if failed and a test summary report. So AI agent behaves like a QA engineer. So if we talk about the real end-to-end example for this, so if we just take a demo website like SauceDemo.com, already we discussed about it. So we just take for example SauceDemo.com. So this website is basically used for testing practice. So now our goal will be to test the complete order placement flow. Fine. So that means open the website, log in, add product, check out, finish order and verify success message. Fine. So okay, I will just take the standard user with this password. Just click on login. So now what AI chatbot will do in this example? Now imagine we ask an AI chatbot test source demo checkout flow. So AI chatbot will reply, it will generate test cases, it will suggest automation steps, it will generate code, but chatbot will not open the website and perform actions because chatbot only talks. It is like a smart assistant for writing. Got it? So chatbot will be going to generate the test steps, suggest steps, generate code, but will not be going to open the browser and execute the test. Fine. Now what AI agent will do in this example? Now for example, if I ask an AI agent test source demo checkout flow and generate the final report. Fine. So then AI agent, what AI agent will do? So it will just open the browser. AI agent will open the Chrome or any browser. So and it will go to source demo website. It will log in. It will just enter the username like standard user and password, whatever we gave, and click on login. It will add one product like Sauce Labs backpack. Okay, we already saw here. So it will add this. For example, it will go to cart. It will open the cart page. Then finally it will check out the button and it will finish by filling the user details. So it will enter first name, last name, postal code and just click on continue and finish the order. And it will just verify the success message. So it will check message, then it will say thank you for your order. And finally it will be going to generate the test report. And it will be having a screenshot as a proof with pass fail report and a bug report if any step fails. So this is a full end-to-end testing flow. Now that is why AI agent is actually powerful for QA. Now you may ask why AI agent is useful for QA engineers. So because normally QA engineer does everything manually. It executes the test, it captures the screenshots, it analyzes the failure, it writes bug reports, it prepares the reports, but AI agent can do these tasks automatically. So AI agent saves time, effort, manual reporting time and debugging time. That's why AI agents are actually trending in software testing. So let's take one real company example. Suppose you're working in a company and you have 500 test cases. Every day you want to do regression testing. So you tell AI agent, just run full regression suite and if any test fails, please capture the screenshot. And after that, create Jira bug report and just send me the final report. Now AI agent can do this full task automatically. This is why AI agents are the future. So just to summarize this, AI chatbot, it answers the questions, it generates test cases, it generates automation code, it generates documentation, it is like a teacher. Fine. So AI agent, it completes tasks automatically. It can open the browser, it can execute testing, it can generate reports. It is like a worker. Fine. So best one line difference. Just remember this line. AI chatbot tells you what to do, but AI agents does the work for you. So I hope you understood this logic and you understood the real difference between AI and AI chatbot and which is actually more powerful for QA like an AI agent. So I hope you like this session. So thank you everyone. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.